Hello, greetings. Extremely disturbed again. Went to Rob Christian to find out, just get information again, putting all bad feelings aside. And Adam Seeker came. So I think I've recognized his voice. He came as Micky Malik on Facebook. Hey, and all this. So I think I also recognize Rob Christian's voice. I think I know who Rob Christian is, but I just have to do some guesswork, and I'm not sure 100%. So with my condition, and it's a complicated case, even no one can help me here. I've tried to get help. Recently had attacks, um, like psychic rape attacks in my dream, assault, sexual assault, again, very bad attacks, and a heavy feeling like distance mind control. And the people here are not making it any easier for me. They're just making life difficult. So as I was listening to Rob Christian recently live, Adam Seeker came there with him. They're buddies, shameless cowards. So very dirty people, bullying, covert narcissists. So I've just sent a message on Facebook to Adam Seeker, who is a buddy of Sam Shamoun and all these Christians. You should stop harassing me as you did. Micky Malik, I've recognized your voice. So this is Adam Seeker on Facebook. To Micky Malik, my recent, are you Adam Seeker? Who sent you? You have a whole group backing. Who is backing you? So I have a feeling that this Rob Christian, Sam Shamoun, these Christians are backing him. You shameless gang, cowards. If you take my principal's name again, so they've used my case and all this. Adam Seeker sounds like Micky Malik. Since a long time I hadn't gone to Adam Seeker's channel. He's a Punjabi, so I have this, a Pakistani, and you can't trust Pakistanis. Neither do I trust Haris Sultan, although he's in Australia. So, in the UAE, who is backing you? You dirty cowards. So here also, I'm crippled, kind of in the sense that curbed I can't go out much. No one helping me. I feel like I just amuse myself, I guess, because I can't stay in this all the time, suffocating. So if you are from my relatives backing each other against me, and I know who you are, so I think I know who they are. Stop it. No, you are not going to stop this. My relative in the UAE or something, I just have a feeling. And then, you know, here we have some people. Adam Seeker, this, and Micky Malik. They sound, I'm not going to, okay, I don't want to listen to the voice. Again, they know my weakness. So stop it. I don't know how to, you see, the only thing I can do here is guesswork. And I don't know why I went to this Rob Christian's live video again, finding out that Adam Seeker is there. And so his style of, you know, tantalizing and all this. Okay, the way I reveal the truth against Prophet Muhammad and all this, it does get to me sometimes that he was very cruel. It's very sad and all this, but my style is different. And now, how can I? I don't know. I'm very distressed here. Like I feel, like I wish I wasn't here. A lot of people have been treacherously working against me. Can't trust them, and so I don't know who to trust on YouTube. They have, of course, now they have recourse to this social media, and they're playing with lives. Instead of saving lives, they're playing with lives. So I'll just, I was thinking even before finding this out about my case, it's very complicated. What to do with this. So you rich people, once, look at him, he's got all these people following him. And with Adam Seeker, you have no shame, you don't really care. Subscribers, Rob Christian subscribers are like criminals. 30.8K subscribers. You don't care about people doing this for just because maybe you have nothing better to do. Rob Christian, Adam Seeker. Definitely this a lot. I just I'm not feeling well, so please, what is this you people are doing on social media? Is it a game you're playing with people and their lives? You can change your name and come here. Can't hear anything about yourselves. Adam Seeker, Micky Malik, Rob Christian. Getting away with money and all this they can get away with here. Even in the UAE, if they have all this, God knows what money and how to use the social media. Look at their videos, you know, if they have all these things. Calling Skype and conferences, video conferences, and God knows what they are using. Please, someone take action against these people. It's not about Islam, it's about personal case, my case, coming on social media not caring for anyone's lives or anything. You just want to play around and push your agenda, it seems. That's all you are up to. So this Micky Malik, I found out, I don't know how on the surface it seems that the Christians here are doing a great job against Islam. This is their vulgar. They're using personal attacks on people. They can do anything on Facebook and YouTube.